Okay, let's have a look at some basic matrix maths then. So let's say we have let's choose a less arty pen. Okay, so we've got a matrix that we'll say has values of 3, 1, 2, 6, 5 and 6. So let's say we want to multiply that by 4, so we can do that by multiplying each of these terms. So 3 4s are 12, 4 1s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 6 4s are 24, 5 4s are 20, 6 4s are 24. So we can straightforwardly multiply by a single number, a scalar, and each individual of the matrix is multiplied by that number. Okay. Similarly, we can factorize, so we can take out the factors of this. We can take this that way and take the factor of 4 out. So that's multiplication by a single number or a scalar. Okay. If we want to multiply, next we want to look at multiplying two matrices together. We can only do that when the number of columns in the first matrix is equal to the number of rows in the second. So let's say we took that 3 1 2 6 5 6 matrix, and we want to multiply it by another matrix. We have to multiply it by a matrix that has a the same number of columns. So these columns are 3 columns, so we need 3 rows in this. So that might be 2 1 3. Okay, and to multiply that we end up with a matrix which looks at something like this. 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1 times 1 is 1, plus 2 times 3 is 6. So that is our first number, and then the second number in our matrix is 6 times 2 is 12, plus 5 times 1 is 5, plus 6 times 3 is 18. So we end up so each element in the top row is multiplied by the corresponding element in the first column, or the only column in that case, and then those products are added. So then we go on to the second row and multiply the second row, each individual element, by its corresponding column in our second matrix, and that gives us our second row. So we end up with a two row single column matrix. Okay, so 6 plus 6 is 12, plus 1 is 13, 12 plus 18 is 35. So that is our multiplied out matrix. So this matrix A, let's call it, multiplied by this matrix B is equal to this matrix here. Okay, so that's general multiplication of matrices.